Hey, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever felt stuck trying to make a decision, whether it's something small like what to eat for dinner or something big like switching careers, this video is for you. So today I would walk you through how I personally use ChatGPT to help me make decisions, both big and small. So I shall share real examples, explain the step-by-step process I follow, and give you some tips to get the most out of it. So let's dive in. So why the first question is you need to ask yourself is why use ChatGPT? So let me start with a quick why. So we all have moments when we just need a sounding board, someone or something to help us weigh the pros and cons, think objectively, or even organize our thoughts. So that is what ChatGPT does for me. So it's like having a 24/7 assistant or brainstorming partner who doesn't get tired or judge you. And no, it doesn't make the decision for me, but it helps me think through things much better. So how I use ChatGPT for some small businesses. I remember I'm using ChatGPT for all, the model that you pay for. So I want to show you how I use ChatGPT for some small decisions. And so let's start. So say I am trying to figure out what to cook for dinner or what to give to a friend. I will type something like this. Let me give you a prompt that you can use. Let's say, for example, you want to cook something for dinner and you want to brainstorm with ChatGPT. So here is the prompt. Hey, ChatGPT, give me 5 quick dinner ideas using chicken and rice. Then you hit enter. Then ChatGPT will automatically go ahead and give you the output here. Sure, here are 5 quick and easy dinner ideas using chicken and rice. So one pot chicken and rice. It has given you the spices. Those are the additives that you need. Saute onions, garlic, and diced chicken in a pot. Add rice, chicken broth, and your favorite veggies like peas or carrots. Simmer until the rice is cooked. Season with salt, pepper, and parsley. So then it has also given you another recipe: chicken fried rice, chicken burrito balls, lemon garlic chicken and rice, this curry chicken and rice. So look at that. So let's say, for example, I want also to gift a friend, and I want ChatGPT to help me brainstorm on this. Help me brainstorm 3 unique birthday gifts ideas for a 30-year-old who loves books and coffee. So hit enter. So it's like Google, but way more like personalized. So ChatGPT won't just throw links at me, or instead it gives short, specific, creative suggestions I can act on immediately. And when I'm feeling lazy or indecisive, it induces or reduces the mental load, and sometimes just leading a few suggestions helps me to go, okay, yeah, that sounds good. So look at this. We have absolutely here, we have 3 main um, unique birthday gifts that ChatGPT has given us. Here we have the personalized coffee and book subscription box. We have the reading note starter kit. We have the custom book cafe and all that. Now, let's use ChatGPT for big. That was just small decisions. Now let's use it for big decisions. Um, now let's talk about the bigger stuffs, the kind that keeps you at night. So let's say, for example, you want to quit your job. Make sure something like should I quit my job? Is moving to another city a good idea? Should I invest my savings? Here is what you can write. So first, I will explain the situation to the ChatGPT that I want it to explain to me or come up with the best brainstorming solution. So I'm thinking of quitting my job. I've been there 5 years. It's a stable, but I'm unhappy. I have some savings. Should I stay or go? Then ChatGPT go ahead and break it down for you. So it break down the pros and the cons, the least possible risks and benefits, the just question, and should I, and all that. So it has given you these reasons to consider living, persistent unhappiness, saving caution, stagnation. Before you jump, do I need to know what I next? Do I just know what I want out? Something like that. It's giving you the possible paths. It has given you the gut check and all that. So look at that. So you can also use ChatGPT effectively to give you specific content. It gives you the specific context. The more detail you give, the better the response. So make sure you give it the details at large so that it comes up with the best thought. So wrap up and final thoughts. At the end of the day, ChatGPT doesn't just replace your brain, it boosts it. So whether you're stuck on what to write, what to plan, or what to prioritize, it gives me a kind of a safe space to think out loud. So if you never used ChatGPT for decision making before, give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment. So thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell so you can never miss out on the updates. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.